Alright, here we are in the Fit Kitchen, cleaning our vegetables from the CSA that we gleaned today. Rocking out to a little Run DMC. That's how we roll. So check out the bounty. All of this was free that we went and picked. Just picking the leftovers in the field. Cabbage! Look at that. Little pie pumpkin, some kohlrabi, squash. I'm gonna blanch them in this pot. Check out these carrots. Beautiful red carrots. And my favorite, a bowl of beets. A bag of beets.
A little carrot.
A tiny little carrot. How's it taste?
Dirty.
And last but not least, another bag of beets. I'm very excited to eat all this stuff.